Hi everybody, welcome back to Quarantine Cooking with Carolyn. Well, summer is really and truly here. It was 91 degrees today. July 4th is right around the corner. So if that doesn't say burgers and fries, I don't know what does. So today I'm going to show you how to make a jalapeno popper burger. Doesn't that sound good? I know, right? And I'm also going to show you how to make some oven fries. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the fries first because they're going to take a little bit longer to cook. So in order to get started, you want to scrub 1 to 2 baking potatoes, large baking potatoes, and cut them into eighths. Now, 1 large baking potato is more than enough for the 2 of us, just as a point of reference. Then once you cut them, put them on a sheet pan or cookie sheet, toss them with a little bit of olive oil, and then season them however you like. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder. If you have seasoning blends, you can use those, however you want. If you want to try and avoid some of that fat of the olive oil, even though it's a healthy fat, you could use some olive oil spray and do the same thing. Just spray a little bit and then add your seasonings. So let me go ahead and pop these in the oven, and then I'll show you how to get started on the burgers. So let's get started on the burgers. Now, I failed to mention earlier that I'm going to do these on the barbecue, but you could do them on the in a skillet or on a grill pan inside as well. But I'm going to use the barbecue tonight because, again, less cleanup, right? So you're going to want to start with a lean ground beef, 1 pound, and make 4 patties. And you want to make those patties fairly thin to start with, okay? And at this point, if you want to skip this step and just start with a frozen patty, you absolutely could do that. If you're, pushed for time or just couldn't be bothered, I get it. But that's all there is to that. Then, in this bowl, I have 3 ounces of softened, low-fat cream cheese. And to that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of shredded spicy cheese. And you can do whatever kind of spicy cheese you like. I'm using pepper jack because it's probably the most commonly found one there is. And then to that, I'm going to add 1 jalapeno that's been seeded and minced. And you'll notice I have my gloves on, and you know why that is. Now, if you are really not a fan of the hot and you think this jalapeno might be too hot for you, you could absolutely skip this step. Although I will say the cream cheese will absorb some of that heat. And so we're just going to combine this really well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to divide this kind of into fourths, and we're going to make sort of little balls, and I'm not going to flatten them too much yet. So you're going to make like 4 of those. So here are the jalapeno cream cheese patties, and I'm just going to pop these in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes while I go outside and put the burgers on the grill. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop 2 of these burgers on because there's just 2 of us eating tonight. I've already got my corn going, and we're just going to cook these for 3 to 4 minutes per side. So there you go, guys, your jalapeno popper burger. How easy was that? Give this a try. I know you've got this.